Now the first step is to rename config folder. Now for this you can open File Explorer, go to this PC, open C drive. Now open users folder. Now open your username folder. Now open app data folder. If you don't see app data at the top, click on view, select show, put a check on hidden items, open app data folder, open the local folder, and over here you can see Dungeon Stalkers folder. Open this folder, open saved folder. Here you can see config folder. So you can create and make a right click. When you rename the config folder, all the saved settings will be lost. So just you can rename it and then you can launch the game and then check. Still not working. The next step is to try DX11 or DX12 in the launch option. Make a right click in the game, select properties. In the launch option, type in dash DX11 and then you can launch the game and then check. Still not working. If DX11 is not working, you can try DX12 as well. So you can just type in dash DX12 and then you can launch the game and then check. Let me close the game for now. Still not working. The next step is to launch the game from the game installation folder. Make a right click in the game, select manage, click on browse local files, and then open this Dungeon Stalkers folder, binaries Win64. Over here you can see this exe file. Make a right click, select properties, go to this tab, put a check on the box which says run this program as an administrator, hit apply, click on OK, make a double click, launch the game from here and then check. If that does not work, you can put a check over here, select Windows 8, hit apply, click on OK, launch the game. Still not working, select Windows 7 over here, hit apply, click on OK, launch the game. Still not working, put a check on disable full screen optimization, hit apply, click on OK, and then launch the game. Now still you're facing the problem. In that case, when you put a check on all these boxes, still not working. In that case, you can uncheck these boxes and then hit apply, click on OK, follow the next step. Now the next step is to, if you're using any third-party antivirus program like Avast, Norton, Bitdefender, McAfee, whichever antivirus program you have, allow the game exe file to your antivirus program. If you're using Windows Security, then open Windows Settings, go to Privacy and Security, Windows Security, click on Virus and Threat Protection, scroll down at the bottom, you will see Manage Ransomware Protection, click on it, click on Allow an app through control folder access, click on Yes to allow. Now click on Add an allowed app, browse all apps, go to the game installation folder, and then open the game folder, select the game exe file, click on Open, again click on Add an allowed app, browse all apps, open this Dungeon Stalkers folder, binaries Win64, select this exe file, click on Open. Now you can launch the game and then check. Still not working. The next step is to perform clean installation of your graphics card driver. So if you have NVIDIA card, go to NVIDIA website. If you have AMD card, go to AMD website. I'm showing for NVIDIA. Select your graphic card from the list. Make sure that you select your graphic card, your operating system, and then click on Find. And then at the very top on this page, you will see the latest graphic card driver. You can click on View and then you can click on Download. And once the download is complete, you can run this exe file. Click on Yes to allow, then click on OK, and then click on Agree and Continue. Select Custom option over here. Next. Put a check on the box which says perform a clean installation, then click on next. After the clean installation, restart your computer, and after the system restart, launch the game and then check. Still not working. The next step is to run the game on dedicated graphic card. Now for this, type in graphics settings in Windows search box and then click on graphics settings. Click on add a desktop app and then open the game folder, Dungeon Stalkers binaries Win64. Select this exe file and then click on open. And once the game is added, click on the game. For GPU preference, set it to high performance. Now you can launch the game and then check. Still not working. Now for desktop users, connect the display cable or HDMI cable to the dedicated graphic card slot and then check. Next step is to verify the game file. Make a right click on the game, select properties, go to install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. Once the verification is 100% complete, launch the game and then check. Still not working, disable Steam overlay. Now for this, you can make a right click on the game. Make a right click on the game, select properties, go to the general tab and turn off the option which says enable the Steam overlay while in game and then check. If you have any other overlay application like Discord running, go to Discord settings, turn off overlay. If you have NVIDIA app running, go to NVIDIA app settings, turn off overlay. Close all the overlay application and then check. Do not overclock. If you have overclock, set it to default. Close all the overclocking application, like if you have MSI Afterburner, Riva Tuner, any kind of overclocking application running, close it. Unplug all the external devices which you are not using. So if you have these devices connected, disconnect extra controller connected to the computer. If you have any third-party services or application running, close it. If you have undervolted your computer, remove the undervolt and then launch the game. Next step is to install Visual C++ file. For this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Download this x86 and x64. So click on this file and then you can run this exe file. Now if you see the repair option, click on repair. If you see the install button, hit install, click on yes to allow. Download this x64 file as well and run this exe file. Again, if you see the repair option, click on repair. If you see the install button, hit install and let the installation complete. Make sure both are installed. Once both are installed, restart the computer. After the system restart, launch the game and then check. Still not working. The next step is to update Windows to the latest version. Now for this, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update or Update and Security, and then click on check for update. Once all the updates are installed over here, then restart the computer, and after the system restart, launch the game. Still not working. The last step is to uninstall and reinstall the game to different drives. So if nothing is working, you can make a right click on the game, select manage, uninstall. After the uninstall, go to the game installation folder, delete the game folder, and then install the game to C drive. So if the game is installed to D drive or E drive, try to install the game to C drive and then check. If the game is already installed to C drive, try installing the game to another SSD and then check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to run this game successfully on your Windows computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.